Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about Rattan kitchen lighting design. If you want to make your kitchen look more beautiful and cozy, you are in the right place. Join us as we explore creative ideas to transform your kitchen with the charm of Rattan lighting. Before we jump into the design, let's talk about why Rattan kitchen lighting is unique. Rattan adds a natural touch and warm, inviting feeling to your kitchen. Let's start with Rattan pendant lights. These are hanging lights that you can put over your kitchen islands or dining areas. They bring a rustic elegance to your space. For the more dramatic look, think about Rattan candeliers. They make a big statement in your kitchen that and they give off a warm and cozy light. Rattan global light are our style. You can use them as hanging light or mount them on the ceiling for even lighting and a comfy atmosphere. To match your kitchen styles, go for rattan wall sconces. Their lighting can be placed on the walls, giving a soft and gently glow. If you want adjustable lighting, rattan track lighting is a good choice. You can aim the light you need it and it adds a natural feel to your kitchen. Don't forget about table lamps. Rattan table lamps can sit on your kitchen islands or countertops, making your kitchen feel cozy and perfect for cooking or dining. When you pick Rattan kitchen lighting, make sure it can handle your kitchen condition. Look for rattan with protective coating and remember to take care to keep it looking good. To set the right mood in your kitchen, consider dimmer switch or smart lighting. This lets you change the brightness to match your cooking and dining needs. Think about lighting control and automation system for easy use. You can manage your kitchen lighting with easy from turning it on and off to setting schedules and work for you. So there you have it, creative Ratan kitchen lighting ideas that can make your kitchen look stylish and cozy. Whether you like pendant lights, candeliers, or wall scans, Rattan lighting can bring a bit of nature inside. If you found these Rattan kitchen lighting ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design and home improvement inspiration.